Hey, pop-up people. Alright, we are going to be drawing this cute little guinea pig. I'm going to say this is an American guinea pig. There are a lot of different kinds of guinea pigs. All pretty cute. The hairless ones, I don't know. Some people like them. So what you're going to need is some paper, a pencil, some color pencils, and an eraser. And that's it. Alright, so I'm just going to be working with some simple shapes. And we're going to start with just the basic shape of the body and then add the detail. Actually, you know what? I used a little thin black marker here. Let me get one of those. I'll use this. Okay. First, we're going to start with a circle and start off light. I'm going to do it a little bit darker so you can see. So this will be the basic shape for the head. And then for the back of the body, I'm going to come out about this far and curve around and back down to the bottom of that circle. Then starting back at the top, we're going to do the nose. Go down a little bit past the middle and then back down to the bottom. Like that. Then right here, not quite the center, but a little bit down here, make another circle. This will be the eye. Then a circle on the inside, and then another little tiny circle. I think I made the nose a little too pointy. And then right here is where the ear will be. Then at the bottom of the circle, do a little foot. And then a little bit shorter one over here. And then a back foot. So that's the basic of the shapes. Now we're going to be doing some erasing and adding some detail. So all this part of the circle, we don't need that. And then this part of the circle we don't need either. So that's why it's good to start off really light. It just makes it a lot easier to erase this afterwards. Now I'm going to add some detail. So I'm going to start with a little nose. So right here, just going to add, it's almost like a little hook. And then 2 lines for the little toes. Then I'm going to do the fur. So I'm going to start right like where the top of the circle was, and then just start adding fur like it goes all the way around like with the shape of where the circle was. Then I'm going to do another layer. And then, I mean, you can make the fur any way you want. There's all different kinds. If you have a guinea pig that looks a certain way and you want to make it look like that, go for it. And then there's whiskers. Now I'm going to color. You know, actually I'm going to erase this back part here. If you have any guidelines, you can get rid of those. I'm not going to color. I am going to do the black outline. So I'm just going to go over what I did in pencil. It's okay if it ends up going a little bit different than what you did with pencil, because then we can just erase it. And if you're going to be doing this in colored pencil, it's always good to make sure that your pencils are nice and sharp before you start. I never had a guinea pig. I did have hamsters, but I never had guinea pigs. Alright, so I'm going to get rid of this extra pencil. It looks like he just got stuck in some like giant fur ball. Like he got loose and he got under the couch, came out, and it had all kinds of lint on him. Oh, out of here. We had a squirrel get into our house the other day, and he got hid under the couch. And when he came out from under the couch, he had lint all over his face. It was kind of cute. We had to chase him out of the house. So I'm going to do like the example that I showed earlier where it's kind of black and white striped. So I'm just going to keep the face white and then add a stripe of black. I'm going to keep the ear white. And then the back will make black. And just one little extra touch. I think I'm going to add a little bit of a shadow underneath. So using my pencil, I'm holding it at an angle. Just going to very lightly add a little bit underneath. Like he's casting a shadow on the ground. I'm just going to smudge that out. That's it. That is the guinea pig. Thanks for drawing with me tonight. And I'll be here again next Sunday with a new drawing. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.